Yo, what's up guys, it's Garrison here and welcome back to the channel. So today I'll be checking out YooA's solo debut with Voyage, the MV for it and all. Now I am really interested in this particular solo debut by YooA, as I've been following Oh My Girl for quite some time now, and to becoming a full-pledged fan during or ever since the Secret Garden era. Now I feel like I share a huge common question like many of others when this got announced, her solo debut and all, is what she is gonna really put out in terms of concept, in terms of sound especially. Is it gonna be completely different from what she usually does with Oh My Girl, or is it gonna be similar in terms of the lines of Oh My Girl's signature sound that is majestic, magical, playful from time to time? But I feel like Oh My Girl has really switched it up and really topped themselves through each and every comeback. Now, in terms of teasers, I've only saw the opening trailer and the teaser pics and all. The opening trailer, yesterday I had a refresher last night, and it seems like this is going to be something cinematic, magical maybe, with a big white wolf. But other than that, I'm not sure what to expect. Let's just get into it, shall we? Alright, YooA, Bon Voyage, let's go. Okay, so this is from the trailer, right? Gets out of her car. And she faces this big, enormous white wolf. Oh. 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 Now the percussion instruments are coming in. The drums. It's quite playful. Oh. Where's this gonna go? Oh. Wow. A lot of world music sounds coming through. Very serene. But breathtaking. And magical. I like her Tinker Bell outfit. It has that coming of new age feel, I feel like. That feeling of escape. That tranquil feel to it too. Wow.
나는 찾아가려 해 신비로운 꿈 멀리 세상 저편에 날 기다리는 숨 I wanna be with you
Wow. Now, I'm still trying to process this song, as it really captivated me from the start. Like how I touched upon this sort of coming of age new feeling from the first couple of scenes from the start, where she comes out of this modern day aged automobile vehicle and faces this gigantic white wolf, and then boom, very cinematic nature scenes with YooA in her lovely outfits. Particularly, I like the Tinkerbell one, and it really shows not only in the MV, but the overall song. It stays, it still keeps that magical feeling that I usually get when she's with Oh My Girl, and when she performs with Oh My Girl, but alone. How there's a lot of sounds and instruments used in world music, especially the percussion instruments, a bit of the snare drum, a lot of the timpani, I feel like, used at the start. And when it comes in, that is where the chills just comes in. I'm not sure about you guys, but this was really breathtaking. It was serene but tranquil. You know, it had that sense of peace, that feeling of sense of peace, the vibes all over it, you know. Definitely not what I expected as a solo debut, period. And from YooA, of course. But I felt like before coming into this, YooA is more than capable of having a solo debut. And now seeing it come to light with Bon Voyage, I really think she hit the mark on the solo debut. And curious if she's gonna continue this certain type of sound from the next future comeback that she does a follow-up with Bon Voyage, you know. But all in all, really great release. I think this is the right concept, the right sound that YooA came out with, and the people backing behind her and WM, because I have yet to see a solo debut utilize world music type sounds in terms of a title track, right? And I feel like a lot of these solo debuts can be underwhelming these days, from dark concepts and all. But this is really game changing. Even though we have heard world music before in terms of B-sides and outside the K-pop scene, I feel like when solo artists really come out with a refreshing take that has some that can be heavily Western or European influenced from different cultures and all, it just gives us a new side, you know. It gives us something refreshing, like I said earlier. But this is a great start for YooA. I think it shows a new side to Oh My Girl as well, and that I really want to go check out the choreo for this song on my own time, because when I saw the trailer last night, I saw my recommendations how she did a teaser for the choreography, and we don't usually these days, I feel like this is the whole common pattern, is that we don't see the choreo fully anymore, and we only see it a bit little to none. In terms of this, we didn't see much of it. We didn't see all of it, I felt like, if I remember correctly. But I feel like the choreo is going to be playful, like the song Magical for sure, with the backup dancers or something like that. I liked the styling of her hair, Tinkerbell outfit, really cute and all. It's very magical, and it's magical to the point where if this was being played behind a Disney movie, you know, as background music or something, you know, it would work so well. I felt like YooA really painted a picture, showed what she's about, because she's shown that she's an amazing dancer, amazing singer, and a performer, and variety, of course, in terms of jokes and all amongst her fellow members. But really great release. I'm not sure about you guys, but I can see myself listening to this song quite a bit, as I have yet to hear something like this before. And yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this. Be sure to like, share, maybe subscribe if you really did. Let me know how you felt about YooA's Bon Voyage. Did it met your expectations? Did it exceed your expectations? What did you like about the song? I feel like it just warms my heart being able to connect with you guys in the comment section down below and just commence a conversation, especially when it comes to fantastic releases like this solo debut by YooA and all. Definitely going to check out the B-sides on my own time, seeing who the producers are, working behind the scenes and all, huge names. But yeah, anyways, have a great day, have a good night, have a good afternoon, wherever you are. This has been Garrison. Take care, stay safe, promise me that. And as I say throughout all my videos, most of my videos at least, be sure to educate yourselves of what is truly saddening and what's going on in the world right now. If you have not yet, be sure to. And peace.